I don't know, who of you has heard of restorative practices before? I see you nodding, yes, okay. I don't know if you people know what it is based on. The reason it started was because the Maori people went to the New Zealand government and said, what you're doing with your Western system isn't working for us. All of our young people are landing up in prison. So allow us the opportunity to deal with delinquency in our own way. And the government agreed. And it was such a success that they changed the law in New Zealand that all youth would now be treated in this way. The basis of the difference is, and they say the most beautiful emotion that we have on this planet is shame. To illustrate their point, I'll ask you another question. Imagine a society that was absolutely shameless. Who would you need to take into account? In a shameless society, you don't have to care about what anybody thinks. Your society falls apart. You have a chaotic society. And this is exactly what the Maori people were teaching. They said, shame is the fiber of our society. Shame ensures that we take each other into account in what we do. And this is where this restorative approach comes in. When something happens, that person isn't punished and excluded for what they've done, but is included in the society and is offered a way to repair the relational damage that has occurred.